Hi all beautiful people, how are you all? So this is my first vlog and I hope you all will like it. So today no singing, no music, no dance, only family time. So it's Sunday and it's fun day. तो आज मैं जा रही हूँ मेरी फैमिली के साथ लस्सी पीने. तो you all will think like why lassi, क्यों लस्सी का vlog, why she's putting it, but yeah, this lassi is not so similar जो हम regularly पीते हैं, but this is something very different and it's really very famous and awesome. So I am going to take you to the dairy farm today. It's a very huge dairy farm which is located on the Vasai road and it's near the Mumbai-Ahmedabad highway. It's called Chinchoti. The area is Chinchoti. So today I'm going to the Bhajanlal dairy farm. So I hope you all will enjoy it. And if you like my vlog, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the usher. Stay tuned guys. It's a very beautiful मौसम out there. बारिश भी हो रही है and I'm having very much fun. It's really awesome climate. So here's my husband and we are enjoying the climate.
Hi friends, how are you?
Wow, look at the trees, it's all lush green in this climate. Really beautiful out there. Okay, so here we are at Bhajanlal. are lassi. So this one is my dry fruit lassi, and the other three are the malai lassis. So it's so tempting, can't resist now. Without wasting my any time, I have my dry fruit lassi. So let me just take it.
Really very yummy. ऐसा लस्सी ना कभी पिया होगा ना कभी चखा होगा.
Yes, it's really tasty and really yummy. It's very different. It's not at all regular like we have it every day.
अभी मुझे समझा कि लोग इतने दूर से यहाँ क्यों आ रहे हैं लस्सी पीने. Because this is my first time and it is a really memorable. Cheers guys, cheers.
Okay, so my kiddos are having lassi. They are enjoying with this beautiful climate. I don't know about the health issues, what are going to happen, but yeah, we are enjoying Barish mein lassi. Superb. Here's my bro. Yeah, here's my bro. He's also enjoying a lot. Buffaloes in the farm, and they are like bathing the buffaloes and they are feeding them. Just have a look. It's not at all untidy. They are like keeping it very clean. And just check how many buffaloes are there. You can see there are the calves as well. So finally guys, we are out of Bhajanlal dairy farm and it was real fun, and they had around 1000 and above buffaloes over there. So yeah, it was real fun, and the lassi over there was really tempting, and you should surely come there once with your friends, family or whoever you want to. It's really fun, so please do come here, and if you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel as Hital Asher, and do like, share and comment. Thank you, and we'll meet you again with something new video.